Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 22nd April 2024. And one request to all the members, if any of the members asking any questions and if you are in a position to answer the question, please kindly help your members in our YouTube comment section. This is my special request. And with this, I can able to save some of my time and I can focus more on the other activities that will be helpful to you. And also, in today's HLQ zone analysis video, one of the members asked about an issue he is facing in TradingView. If anybody having good knowledge in TradingView, please communicate with that person through our YouTube comment section. Try to understand his problem and try to help him by resolving his issue. This is in today's HLQ analysis video. And in this video, let us generate the reports related to stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. We will also identify high liquidity demand and supply zones for daily and 75 minutes time frame. At the end of the video, we will generate stop buffers. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I kept the videos in an order in a playlist supply demand zone price action course. I have also provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. If you click the link, you will get into this page. And then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, you can access all the training lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in the channel. Now let's get into the report generation. So let me start with yearly time frame. Mostly yearly and half yearly time frame. Rarely we find, but we will check. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. No stocks are available. Let me go back. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly supply zone. Here also no stocks are available. I am changing the time frame to half yearly. Let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. No stocks. And also half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. So one stock is filtered which is near to the half yearly supply zone, but it is a pierced supply zone. You should not forget that. So I'll be giving you only few seconds time and then move on to the next report. You please pause the video and then you can study all the columns in this report. In case if you are not aware of how to understand this report, I clearly explained each and every column in detail in lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21 in our training course. So please go through that video, then you will get clarity about each and every column and their values, all the abbreviations, everything I explained in detail. And I also explained how you can make use of this leg in, base and leg out so that you can draw the zones in TradingView chart application. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to quarterly. Let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So currently these three stocks are near quarterly demand zone. I'm going back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So only one stock is filtered near quarterly supply zone. It is a high liquidity supply zone. Okay, let me go back. Changing the time frame to monthly, let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered near to the monthly demand zone. I'm going back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. So these 3 stocks are filtered near to the monthly supply zone. Going back, Changing the time frame to weekly, let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. These 6 stocks are filtered near to the weekly demand zone. Let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. These 8 stocks are filtered. Going back, changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. These 10 stocks are filtered. So we need to identify high liquidity zones from these 10 stocks. High liquidity daily demand zones we need to identify. So here Coromandel is there. In Coromandel we have already tested 4 times, 10 rejections from this zone. So you need to fine tune this zone and identify a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone to plan your trade. And next we have one more high liquidity zone now. Gujarat Gas Limited. So this is a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune this zone to check the quality of this zone and also to find a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone. And you have one more high liquidity zone, HDFC Bank. This is already tested once and 2 rejections from this zone. So again you need to fine tune and identify a fresh fine tuned 5 minutes to plan your trade. So these are the 3 high liquidity demand zones we identified from this list. So let me go back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks which are near daily supply zone. 14 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity supply zones. The first one is high liquidity, but it is Nifty Financial Services. I think FinNifty, it is FinNifty. So those who trade in FinNifty, they can focus on this stock. This is a fresh zone. But you need to check the quality. If the quality is good, if there is a fine-tuned 5-minute zone, you can plan. Otherwise, zone will be violated. You know those rules. So FinNifty is there, very good. And next one is Nifty FMCG. So it is indices. We don't plan in indices. Any other high liquidity? Here we have Alchem. Alchem is a fresh high liquidity zone, R_SZ. So you need to fine tune this zone and you need to identify a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone. You can plan a trade, otherwise this zone will be violated. Let us identify any other high liquidity. There is one more, BPCL is there. It is already tested 4 times and 5 rejections. Check if there is any fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone. Anything else? There is one more, ICICI Bank is also high liquidity zone. Please check the quality of this zone. If it is having a fresh fine tuned 5 minutes, you can plan a trade. And also remember, ICICI Bank is also having high liquidity demand zone. That means it will be moving in between these 2 zones for some time until one of these zones are violated. That's it. So total how many we identified from this list from daily supply zones? The first one is FinNifty. And we have Alchem, second one. BPCL, third one. And ICICI Bank, fourth one. So we have identified 4 high liquidity daily supply zones from this list. Okay, let's go back. Changing the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. So these 6 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So these 14 stocks are filtered, which are near to the 125 minute supply zone. So let me go back. I'm changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So 3 stocks are filtered near to the 75 minutes demand zone, and we don't have any high liquidity demand zones from this list. Fine. Let's go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. So 14 stocks are filtered. So we need to identify high liquidity supply zones from this list. Nifty FMCG, we don't, this is indices. Next one is Nifty Pharma, this is also indices. This is a pierced zone. Oh, sorry, this is demand zone. We need to look for supply zones, I'm sorry. Yeah, here we have Dixon. Dixon is a 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone, a fresh zone. So please check the quality of this zone. And if everything is good, you can find a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone and you can plan the trades. You have Tata Consumer is there. This is also a high liquidity 75 minute supply zone and a fresh zone. So you need to check the quality and then you need to plan the trade. And we have one more TVS Motor. This is also high liquidity supply zone, 75 minute supply zone and a fresh zone. So total how many high liquidity zones are there in this list? Dixon, this is the first one. Tata Consumer, second one, and TVS Motor, third one. So we have identified 3 high liquidity supply zones from 75 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go back. Changing the time frame to 25 minutes and let me find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. So 5 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. These 10 stocks are filtered near to the 25 minutes supply zone. So I'm going back. Changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. So 1 stock is filtered. Going back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. So these 9 stocks are filtered which are near to the 15 minute supply zone. Going back, changing the time frame to 5 minutes, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. These 4 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. So this is about stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. And now let us generate the stop buffers. Based on the daily ATR, I am generating. This is the daily ATR and remaining all are different stop buffers. 15% ATR you can use it for daily time frame. 10% ATR you can use it for 75 minutes or 125 minutes time frame. 5% ATR you can use it for 25 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, and last one 3% ATR you can use it for 5 minutes time frame. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but they are taken from F&O segment. So I'm scrolling this list down by giving you only few seconds. If you want to refer any stock, pause the video. Okay, I'm scrolling down. So this is the filtered list. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.